Wine did pinpoint one area where cases are rising at an alarming rate, and that's Lake County, currently one of the worst in the state. Healthcare workers there are nervous and fearful of the direction they're headed.
Lake County, for example, in the last 2 weeks, 1 out of every 100 person has been diagnosed with COVID.
The coronavirus epicenter of the state is right here in Lake County. Zip codes there taking 3 of the top 10 spots on the state's coronavirus case count map the last 2 weeks. Places like Paynesville, Willoughby, Kirtland, and leading the way, Mentor.
Our local communities are showing up as in the top 10 in the state. That's not necessarily where you want to be.
Dr. John Banowitz is Chief Medical Officer of Lake Health, the major health system in the area.
We are way above where we were this spring. It's putting a lot of stress on everything.
The hospital has activated its surge plan and canceled elective surgeries, hoping not to overwhelm its staff.
It's a burnout feeling. It's stressful, it's frustrating, and we try to, talk to each other throughout the shift like, okay, it could be worse.
Unfortunately, this is the worst it's been so far for Brittany Reeves, who works with COVID patients at Lake Health. The system currently caring for 67 COVID-19 patients, more than 3 times the patients they had during the spring surge.
It's not only the patients that we have to worry about it getting worse for, but also our coworkers and ourselves.
So how can you help? Well, it's back to the basics, like wearing a mask and cutting back on holiday gatherings. For Reeves, this Thanksgiving will be spent working, away from her kids.
I told them, I said, don't think of it in the negative. Just think, yes, mommy has to leave for Thanksgiving, but that's because somebody is sick. Somebody else that wants to be home, but they can't be home because they're sick.
Now, the Lake County Health Department is changing the way it operates today as well. Today, they said they don't have enough staff to conduct contact tracing in most situations. Instead, Russ, they're relying on those who test positive to contact close contacts on their own.
Yeah, some compelling words from that mom and healthcare worker just a moment ago. All right, Brandon Simmons, thank you.